Okay, hi there, welcome back. One more session we are together. My name is Masoud, English teacher with my friend Farid. I hope you feel well. And this channel is about learning English from scratch. And if you are interested in learning English, please subscribe us and share our YouTube channel to your friends. And support us with your comments and likes. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, my name is Farid. One more session again, and let's start the class.
Yes, thank you, Farid. So, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very good. Did you practice?
No, everything is good.
What? Okay, thank you, Farid. So, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very good, very good. Did you practice?
Yes, I have.
Great. Today, we are going to continue lesson 1, but part 2. It is still about numbers. So, okay, Farid, where did we leave off previous session?
We read 1 till 99.
1 to 99.
Yes.
So, let's get started. The numbers after 99.
Okay.
The next number is 100. After 99 is 100. Repeat after me.
100.
100.
100.
You can say 100 and 100. Okay? So they are synonym.
Not different.
No, they aren't different. So repeat after me, please. 100.
100.
100.
100.
Great. So let's continue to the next numbers. 101.
101.
102.
102.
103.
103.
104.
104.
Very good. And you do the same to 199. Yes.
Excuse me?
What?
You can explain about and?
Yes, that's a very good point. So telling and between the numbers after 100 plays a crucial role, especially in British. Okay? So that's a considerable point. Don't ignore it. After 100, we use and for numbers. 101, 102, 100 and so on. Okay?
Okay.
So pay attention. Let's have some more examples.
Okay.
100 plus 60.
160.
100 plus 78.
178.
100 plus 85.
185.
100 plus 99.
199.
Very good. Now you can count from 1 to 199. So let's go to next number. The next number is 200.
200.
Repeat after me. 200.
200.
Pay attention. Here we shouldn't add s to 100. So
We can't say
yes.
200s.
Yes, exactly. We never say 200s. It's incorrect. Okay? We say 200,
200.
300,
300.
400,
400.
and we continue like this to 900.
900.
Very good, very good. So let's have more examples between these numbers.
Okay.
How we can say 300 plus 70?
370.
Great. How we can say 600 plus 42?
642.
How we can say 800 plus 75.
875.
900 plus 99.
999.
Very good, very good. Great.
It's very easy.
Yes, that's very easy. Now you are able to count from 1 to 999. Very good. So the next number is 1000. 1000. Repeat after me.
1000.
After 999, it's 1000.
1000.
For 1000, we have the same rules that we had for 100. First rule, we use and after 1000. Okay, so we say 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay, so repeat after me. 1001.
1001.
1002.
1002.
1003.
1003.
1004.
1004.
And we do the same to 1099.
1099.
Great. Farid, can you guess the next number?
1100.
No.
What?
Unfortunately, here and shouldn't be said. Okay? So we say 1100. Guys, pay attention. Here we don't say 1100. We say 1100. Repeat after me, please. 1100.
1100.
1200.
1200.
1300.
1300.
1400.
1400.
Yes, and we resume to 1900.
1900.
Great. But let's have some more examples to make it clear, okay, for everyone. How we can say 1000 plus 700.
1700.
1000 plus 899.
1899.
Very good. Don't forget about and. 889. Okay? So, say 1000 plus 760.
700 and
1000.
1760.
Great. 1000 plus 999.
1999.
Very good. Good job. Thank you so much. Guys, you can count from 1 to 1999. Very easy. So, the next number is 2000. The second rule for 1000 is about S. As the same as 100, we don't have S for 1000.
We can't use S.
No, 4000 we cannot use, okay? So we don't say 2000s, 3000s, 4000s, okay? It's a very, very important point, okay? So don't forget it. Let's have some examples.
Okay.
Repeat after me. 2000.
2000.
3000.
3000.
8000.
8000.
20,000.
20,000.
You see? So
very
we
easy.
don't use S for 1000 and we continue to big numbers. Okay? So now, Farid, let's have some big numbers. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. How can you rate this number?
It's 8,700.
Very good. And how about this one?
This one is 100,000.
Very good, 100,000. Would you please say this one?
870,000.
870,000. Great, very good. And the last one?
It's 999,999.
Very good. Would you please read it one more time?
Yes, 999,999.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, today's lesson is finished and we could count the numbers to 999,999. So if you want to learn more, if you want to get more details about numbers, don't miss the upcoming lesson. And please follow our YouTube channel and support us. Have a good time. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching and I love you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, teacher. I should go.